alongside Musi Sadiq and other protesters that were charged. Firstly, let me paint the picture. The Justice Emeka Wike gave detention order for 49 protesters. Only 10 have been arraigned in courts. And stringent conditions were given to the ones that were arraigned, that were given bail condition. And as I speak, only 3 are out of prison. We have 7 still remaining. Aside that 7, we still have 39 that have not been arraigned at all. They are still in detention. And this aside the other children who are in other age that are being incarcerated. This aside other detainees in other places like Kaduna, Kano, and the rest of them. And that is why we are calling for an unconditional release of all protesters that are being incarcerated.